QU, how do you pronounce this? Don't forget in English, the Q and the U are always together. The only time you see the Q without the U is because it's probably come from an Arabic word. We'll come to that later. QU has a few different pronunciations. One of them is qu. Qu. This QU sound is like a K and a W, qu. Let's look at some of the words. Queen, queen, quack, quack, the sound a duck makes, whack, whack. Quality, quality, question, question. Can you hear they're all the qu sound? Let's keep going. Quiz, quarter, quail. And the next two are really difficult because they can sound very similar. Quite, quite. And the other one is quiet, quiet. Can you hear the difference? Quite, quiet. Now all of those begin with QU, but sometimes QU comes in the middle of a word and it's still pronounced the qu. For example, require, require, and acquire, acquire. There's also other words like inquiry, inquiry. Let's try these in a sentence. He was quite quick to answer the questions in the quiz. How did you do? The other way you can pronounce QU is a k sound, just a k, not a qu, just a k. And often this comes in the middle of a word, such as antique, just a k sound, antique, bouquet, unique, conquer, mosquito. So most words with the QU as a k sound have the QU in the middle of a word, but sometimes they're at the beginning, like quiche and key. Now there are a few more which could be confusing, so I'll do those as well. This one is Q. Q. It looks like there are too many letters just to be pronounced Q, doesn't it? But it is just pronounced Q, a line of people. And then there's this one, which has become very popular recently. It's pronounced quinoa. Quinoa. Now let's see if you can say this sentence. The mosquito drank the unique antique liquor. Now, as I said earlier, there are some words we use in English which have a Q not followed by a U, but that's because they're Arabic. So these words are an exception. I'll be making many more videos with pronunciation, so subscribe if you found this useful.